Hello, hello. Just bought this FeelAtHome crisscross bed sheet straps. We just put it on, and we just put it on a regular blanket instead of an actual sheet. Lisa, you want to help with lowering that? We'll see how it looks. It's pretty easy to put on. And yeah, it's keep it nice and tight. So I think this is going to work really well. I will link it below. And yeah, this solves the blanket moving all over the place at night issue. Let me know if you utilize any product to hold the sheets on your bed. And if you don't and you have problems, maybe try this product out, because it seems to work pretty decent. Because yeah, that's tight. That's nice and firm. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. This is a definite product recommend.